Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aditi. Today's video is going to be all about personal branding, how you can start your own personal brand in 2025. Before getting into the video, I'd like to mention one of my favorite quotes which really inspires me, and that is, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. This quote is by Zig Ziglar. With the quote in mind, let's get into the video. I'd also like to tell you that at the end of the video, there is a surprise for you, so make sure to stay tuned till the end. Now, in today's video, I'll be covering the following topics. What is personal branding? Why do you need to have a personal brand in 2025? What are the things that you require to do personal branding? And lastly, how do you do personal branding? The term personal branding sounds huge, but it's not as huge as it looks like, so let me break it down for you. Personal branding is nothing but the world's perception of you. Yes, you heard it right, the world's perception of you. Now by that, I mean, you must be thinking that, oh, I don't have a personal brand or I don't do personal branding. The thing is, I hate to break it to you, but you already have a personal brand. It's just that you're not into personal branding yet. Now, by personal brand, I mean, let's say you have a profile on Instagram, a profile on Facebook, or a profile on X or on LinkedIn or any other social media platform. That profile of yours is your personal brand. Why is it your personal brand? Because it describes you. It has a profile picture of you, your name, your bio, and it basically tells who you are and what you do, and it describes you. So that is your personal brand. Now let's get into personal branding. Personal branding is like a business. It means offering social service. Now by offering social service, it could be anything. Let's say you are a person who loves to share their learnings and experiences. You are a personal trainer. You are a coach. You are a freelancer. You are just a student studying at any university and you love to vlog about that. You go to different places and you vlog about that. Or you share your life journey. You inspire others. You make music. You do anything. This is called personal branding. If you're into any of these, this is personal branding. And the most important part of personal branding is content creation. Content creation is the process of personal branding. So personal branding is the why and what about you, and content creation on the other hand is how you bring it into life. I hope you get what I mean. Sharing experiences, life journey, learnings, filming, vlogging, or just sharing anything you are passionate about is what personal branding is all about. And the thing is, in personal branding, you give your viewers a reason to engage with your content, a reason to interact with your content. Basically, you are getting an audience, you are gaining followers, and you are creating a network. Now let's be realistic. This is not something that happens overnight. You need to put in the time, the effort, the hard work, and you need to maintain consistency. You need to keep posting content regularly on social media and make sure that you give your viewers a reason to engage with your content. Share and create valuable content so that your viewers and followers increase. Now, I'm not saying that this doesn't work out, because it does, but it won't necessarily work out super fast like you expect it to be. The thing is, it's not like you can use a perfect strategy or a plan to drastically increase your followers, because it doesn't happen like that. You just have to keep posting regularly, and then one day your luck will shine and then you'll gain a lot of followers. Or you just have to keep posting because you don't know which content of yours is gonna get viral. Now let's talk about why you need to have a personal brand in 2025. Reason number one, it's a high value skill. We live in a world of advancing technology. We have chatbots and robots and generative AI and physical AI, and pretty much everything around us is working with the help of artificial intelligence. So having a personal brand will benefit you in unlimited ways. Reason number two why you should do personal branding is to build an online network. You can connect with different people across the world who share the same goals and mindset as you. And let's be honest, it's always great to be part of a community filled with like-minded people. Having an online network can benefit you in ways you never know. Reason number three, anybody can do it. Personal branding is by far the most easiest thing anybody can do. Out of all other things like creating digital products, selling online courses, and more in e-commerce, you just have to film yourself with a camera. And if you are too lazy to do that, there are websites that generate short-form content from scratch and also from long-form videos. I've linked some of them in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now let's get to the next topic. What are some of the things that you require to do personal branding? You need nothing to do personal branding. Like, you don't need anything to do personal branding. You can literally start creating content and posting content anytime. You need to maintain that authenticity. It means you have to show real life experiences. You don't have to create your content too much over fancy or over edited, because that content is less likely to get traffic. But if you create content with real life experiences, content that is genuine, content that has meaning to it, something that is valuable, then that type of content is more likely to get traffic. You might have seen it yourself, videos on YouTube like a day in the life of a student, or how I manage my time efficiently, a work day at Microsoft, or today I tried a new recipe, staycation at this particular hotel. So videos like these are getting traffic. You have seen it yourself. So make sure that you don't get too much into this fancy edit thingy, because it's not gonna stand out. And I'm not saying it's not worth it, but chances are it might not stand out that much. You don't have to be an ultra pro max infinity editor to do personal branding. You can just share what you already have. Stop trying to copy others, because copying others wouldn't give you anything. Seriously, just share what you have, share what you've learned, share your experiences, share your life journey, and then watch your followers rise. Watch your followers grow on social media. Lastly, how to do personal branding. You just have to start creating and posting content. You just have to be yourself. Be yourself is the main motto. Make sure that you keep that in your mind. You just have to be yourself the entire time. No need to copy others. No need to try to steal somebody else's template or trying something that somebody already has. Come up with ideas, because your own ideas might actually stand out. Every idea is worth it. Okay? The thing is, we all have this kind of illusion that what if my idea is bad and I just work on a bad idea and then I see no results and it's not worth it. There is no such thing as a bad idea. You come up with any idea, you just work on it, because you don't know which of these ideas is gonna help you in the future, which of these ideas is gonna completely transform your life. So make sure that any idea you come up with, don't ignore it. Just write it down. Make sure you keep a diary with you. Write down any idea that comes in your mind. Come up with an idea. Plan, create, execute. That's it. That's how you do personal branding. Now it's time for the surprise. I have created a free ultimate Notion guide on how to do personal branding in 2025, a step-by-step guide which explains to you from beginning till the end what you need to do in order to create a personal brand and to do personal branding. And the link is in the description box below. You can download it. So make sure to give this channel a subscribe, hit the like button, and click on the notification icon so that you don't miss any future updates from me. Thank you so much for staying till the end of the video and watching this video. I really hope this video helps out, and I'll keep posting more content like this. And best of luck to all the content creators and entrepreneurs out there, and make sure that you enjoy the process. See you in the next video.